Hey everyone, welcome back. This is George at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1973 Chevrolet Corvette. Really beautiful, just white car. If you haven't already, go click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Turn on the notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself do a video, and you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. Now, the purpose of my videos are just for you to get a chance to see it outside, see how it drives down the road, put yourself inside the driver's seat before you make this purchase. For all the other information, going over to volocars.com. We have a whole write-up, 100 or so extra pictures, the details on pricing, everything you need to know. Really is a sexy car. All right, let's jump on in. Door opens and shuts with ease. This one has the 4-speed. The interior looks great. The dash, I'm not seeing any tears, rips, or anything. Have the T-tops off. They store nicely in the back here. All right, let's go ahead and put the seatbelt on. Where do we have it? Down here. Oh. See if I can reach it. There you go. Operator area there. All right. Has a reverse lockout on it for the key. Let's see what we got here. Air kicks on. Let's see the radio. Radio works. All right, so this is the first time myself or anyone from the shop gets a chance to take this out. So we're gonna learn everything about it together here. I do like it as the tilt wheel and also the telescoping out if you want. All right. Brakes feel nice. Accelerates, shifts real nice. Clutch is nice and easy. See, tachometer's working, speedo's working. You have your other cluster gauges down here. We'll check keep an eye on the water temp, see if it goes up. Steering's real responsive. You turn it a little bit, it starts going. Drives nice and straight. I will be opening it up a little bit later in the video. Now it's just a chance to kind of get used to it, get comfortable. I have to drive a bunch of different cars, so I don't want to just hop on something and not really have a good sense of how it drives. Not hearing any real rattles or anything in this either, just solid car. Solid and beautiful, can't beat it. Smooth ride, and I love how the Corvettes, you always feel like you're stuck to the ground, so you're always in control. If you make a turn a little quick or anything, it's just almost like an Indy race car. All right, we'll open it up a little bit here. they're nice. The whole time, like I said, you feel like you're just in perfect control. The shifting's nice and smooth, handles great, the ride feels great, beautiful car. Man, I don't have a single complaint about this. See the engine temp went up. Oil pressure goes up and down, that's working. Turns with ease. All right. Woo! That is fun. Now, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Turn on those notifications, and now's the time to head on over to volocars.com. Check out all the pictures of this, all the other cars we have, the write-up, the selling price, and then give sales department a call. Vets are moving quick. As always, I appreciate you.